Look, think and speak. Mike is tall. James is tall. Both of them are tall. Sarah is Italian. Sonia is Austrian. Neither of them is Swiss. Every one of my students is Swiss. All of them are Swiss. 3 boys have bikes. 4 do not. Some of them have bikes. These teenagers don't have bikes. None of them have bikes.
Both of them are good at skateboarding. All of them can ski well. Neither of them can ski well. All of them are good dancers. Both of them are good at sailing. None of them are careful drivers. All of them are good climbers. Some of them have bought an ice cream. All of them have got mobile phones. Neither of them smokes cigarettes. All of them are good at ice skating. Some of them have got blue eyes. Both of them are wearing jeans.
If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Do leave a comment, I will be happy to hear from you.